Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the habitat of plants. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand where do plants grow and live. Are you ready? Can you tell where the plants in the picture live and grow? Some plants grow on land, like trees and flowers. Some plants grow in water, like water lilies. Some plants grow on trees, like orchids. Some plants that grow on trees also grow on rocks. The place where plants live, grow, and survive is called habitat. Plants' habitat can be on land, in water, or on air. Plants that need soil grow on land. These plants can be found in the garden, in the field, in the rainforest, or in the desert. Some examples of plants that grow on land are flowering plants like sampaguita, rose, santan, sunflower. How about you? Can you give more examples of flowering plants? Other examples are tall trees like coconut, guava, mango, and acacia tree. What other trees do you know? Other examples of plants that grow on land are vegetables, like the following. Plants grow and live in water. These plants grow in pond, swamp, lake, and sea. These are some examples of plants that grow in water. Water lily, lotus, water hyacinth, water spinach or kangkong, duckweeds or pondweeds. Other examples of water plants are water lettuce, common reeds, eelgrass, kelp, hydrilla. More examples of water plants: cattail, hornwort, mangrove, and seaweeds. Plants grow on air or on the branches of trees. These plants absorb water from the barks of trees or absorb moisture in their surroundings. Usually, they can be found in the rainforest. Examples of plants that grow on air or on the branches of trees are orchids, bromeliads, bird's nest fern, moss, lichens, and staghorn fern. Plants that grow on branches of trees also grow on rocks. Just take a look at the following examples. Once again, plants' habitat can be on land, in water, or air. each plant grows, on land, in water, or air. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These plants grow in water. A banana tree grows on land. Ferns grow on the branches of trees or air. These plants grow in water. Moss grow on the branches of trees or air. This flower grows on land. This plant grows on the branches of tree or air. This is a mangrove and it grows in water. A carrot grows on land.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.